What is the impact on the company's EBITDA? EBITDA stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization and is a metric used to evaluate a company's operating performance. It can be seen as a loose proxy for cash flow from the entire company's operations. EBITDA is short for earnings before interest, taxes, and depreciation. It is a loose proxy for cash flow due to the add-back of depreciation and amortization. It is also independent of a company's capital structure. EBITDA can be calculated in multiple different ways and is extensively used in valuation. EBITDA is a non-IFRS, non-GAAP calculation, and there are many EBITDA detractors, including Warren Buffett. EBITDA equals net income plus interest plus taxes plus depreciation plus amortization, or EBITDA equals operating profit plus depreciation plus amortization.